Hello folks, time for some more Queen of the Stone Age. First, It Giveth. We've got to tune the guitar down 2 steps. So we basically have C, F, A sharp, D sharp, G, and C. So it's standard tuning, but down 2 steps, okay? Or 4 semitones. Now with that, high output pickups, and I've cranked the gain on my amp a little bit. So this is like without the pedal. But with the pedal, I'm using the skeleton key with these settings. You know, for all that sort of stuff. If you've got a skeleton key, by the way, and you've got a super clean amp, then it'll need a bit of help. So you could just put a little boost pedal just in front of it. So this would be it with like a tube screamer with like a low drive setting before it. So just a little tip for dialing that in, and you'll retain that kind of growl that you really get with the Queens of the Stone Age stuff. As I say, I'm just using the skeleton key though, because I've turned the gain up on my amp up a little bit. So we would have this, and I have tabbed out all the variations of this, right? So I'll go quite quickly. It's all 8th notes, but the beat is quite fast. It's about 200 beats per minute. So we've got... got that going on, okay? And that is in fact the first 4 bars. So we've got... the next lot, it moves about a bit. And that's mostly the pattern, okay? Which will repeat throughout. So I mean, you could just go with what you know there already and be most of the way there, right? Then the vocals come in, so the verse part goes. So again, there's some variants already, right? I'm not going to labour these, but you've got the tab. But you can see you're essentially going... Alright, second time then of the verse. There's a harmony that comes in over the third time, but you're going to go back around this. So that's the third time, okay? I'll come back and do the harmony. Let's just stick with this one guitar line. And then we have this. Subtle difference there. Lovely. And then the last 4 times. So there's a 1.5 beat rest at the end, the last 2 bars. Okay, so the harmony part, if you care about that, again, it comes in on the 3rd repeat of the verse. You start on the 9th fret. It's all the same stuff though, right? So you've got... Okay, that's the first 8 bars, and then the 8 bars just prior to the chorus. That's that little fill. And then... and the last note goes down to the 5th fret. Oops, I only fluffed that. So we have... Okay, so both guitars hit that 5th fret there on the last note. The chorus is really cool. It's basically 5 chords, playing 8th notes. But you play it with your first finger flattened, and then your 3rd finger added to the 12th fret. And then you're going to take that off and on. every so often. So you go, it's that riff, okay? Okay, so slowly. But the 10th fret goes throughout. And again. So that's the first 4 bars. Then we go up to the 13th fret. Same again. And that's it. Then you're just playing them straight on the 6th fret and the 3rd fret. And then you repeat it around. So here's the whole thing. 3, 4. Like that. Okay? The whole thing slowly would be. Like that, okay? Coming out of it, we've got this really cool break. I think it's done on acoustic actually, but we have. So the break would be 8 of those and then a rest, up 1 fret, up, down, up, down. Then we go to an A major. And then you go up to an F. Same pattern as the second bar, okay? And you're going to repeat that twice. Like that, right? Then there's like a breakdown part with a lead guitar that comes in. I would probably take the pedal off here and just play your amp tone. So you've got the same chords, but it's just arpeggiated. So you have. You got that, okay? So again, slowly. Up 1 fret. Here I would slide my little finger down and then apply my 1st and 3rd. And then up to the 8th fret. Like that. The second time round it just does. Just stays on the 5th fret there, okay? And you got this, there's a little overdub over the top lead part which goes. That basically. So slide to the 14th fret. I think it's not picked, you just slide. You could pick the 2nd note if you want. Then to the 9th fret. Pull off. And a slide. Up to the 18th. Like that. Second verse comes in. Pretty straight that time. Then a harmony part comes in again, but we'll stick with the first guitar part, which is. Little fill at the end there. That's a triplet, hammer on and pull off. And then. Play it there if you want. I find that easier. And then this part carries on. Like that, subtle variation because you're going up to the 12th fret there. Rather than going back down to the 5th. Harmony part is up here. Same thing. However you want to play that. And then last time before the chorus. Chorus is the same as before, so we've got... Right, you do that 4 times. And then we've got this outro part, which is a bit different. It goes... and around again. So you've got 6 beats of this. And then... okay, that again. So we've got... so we're on the 10th fret, upper string for 2 beats, and then down 1 fret for 2 more bars, and then we go to the 6th fret, major chord shape, up to the 9th. You go around that twice, and then you go between the 6th and the 9th fret another 2 times, so... and then the ending is just this. And that's it! You're done! Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.